Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete contacts on iPhone. So let's get started. First open contacts on your iPhone. Here you will see a list of all your contacts. Next, scroll through your contacts list and find the person or contact you want to delete. Once you have found them, tap on their name to open up their contact information. Once you are on the contact information page, you will see an edit button in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. Now you will see a list of all the fields for this contact such as name, phone number, email, etc. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and you will see a red button that says delete contact. Tap on it. After you tap on delete contact, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete this contact. If you are sure you want to delete the contact, tap delete contact again. If you have changed your mind, tap cancel to keep the contact. Now if you want to delete more than one contact, simply repeat the steps for each contact you want to remove from your address book. After you have deleted the contacts you no longer need, it's important to sync your contacts to make sure the changes you made are reflected on iCloud. To do this, go to Settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, tap on Show All, and toggle on the switch next to Contacts if it is not already turned on. This way your iPhone will sync your contacts with iCloud. So this is how you can delete contacts on iPhone. Deleting contacts on your iPhone is quick and easy process. Just remember to double check before you hit that final delete contact button so you don't accidentally delete someone you still need in your address book. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.